Now I will explain how to use the algorithm distribution to capture the energy shift. For chips, you can create a new window on this direction. Change its name to shift and look around all lighting to make sure you can see electrode of chips very clear. Yes, S3 is good enough. Then change algorithm as distribution. Then please white copy it. Now you can see there are two triangular are around y direction of the chips. If the component occurs shift in y direction, the electrode will cross the width of your selected window. Because the electrode is very brighter, so your two established window sample value will be very huge and will be alarmed as shift. In addition, please create a third shift window. Also use S3 lighting and distribution. This time, please drag its size appropriately and at the position, because the window I want to capture X direction shift. If the component shift in X direction, electrode also will cross the width of your established window like this. The sample value also will be very huge and will be alarmed as shift NG. After finishing the data, please confirm it. Could it can be alarmed as shift? Okay, no problem, can be alarmed. And this also can be alarmed. Okay, that's all. How to use the algorithm distribution to capture the energy shift for chips. Then I also want to explain how to use the algorithm distribution to capture shift of those IC and connectors like this. First window always is area. Then create a new window. Change its name to shift. Satellite is good enough because you can distinguish those bright LEDs and dark surface clearly. Now please drag its size appropriately and close LED and change algorithm to distribution. Keep default setting Y copy. If the Y direction shift, you will find those LED will come into your selected window. The sample value will be very huge and above your OK limit and will be alarmed as a distribution. Yes. Then please create new one for another direction like this. distribution. And X copy. Yes. If a misaligned, also will be alarmed as shift. In addition, sometimes your customer will have a very strict criteria of shift. On the circumstance, you also can set distribution window, close every leg, first leg and last leg of the every row like this. Distribution. If the component shift or misalignment, the leg, first leg and the last leg of the every row will cross the width of your established window and will cross a high sample value and will be alarmed as shift also. Okay, now please Y copy. This will have been finished. And you can select these two and X copy. These two all have been established. And copy a one to move to here. Change its size like this. And X copy for this. And select these two, Y copy. Now you will find every row, the first leg and last leg all close rectangular with algorithm distribution. If misalignment and shift occurs of IC, will be alarmed as shift. That's all how to use the algorithm distribution capture NG shift of chips and IC connectors.